Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for April 14th, 2015. We're going to have a cold front move through this morning here, and it is going to clear most of the area, most of the coverage area here from northwest to southeast pretty rapidly, and just allow for just some morning showers in most areas. But we are concerned that areas across Delaware and southern New Jersey hang around a little bit longer with the precipitation as this front kind of gets hung up here. And you can see that going a little bit forward here to the early afternoon hours on Tuesday. You can see still some showers that are lingering down here across mainly southern New Jersey and Delaware at that point. Let's go over the NAM high-res feature simulated radar. The NAM has been most aggressive with this front getting hung up a little bit. And you'll start off here at 4 o'clock in the morning, and you see the shower activity just starting to move in our area here from northwest to southeast. Not a lot of precipitation up here in this area here. Not a lot of precipitation. So it moves a little bit forward in time here, though. You can see as the front moves to the south here, this precipitation will actually expand here. And this is actually looking at early afternoon now at about 1 o'clock. And you can see that expanding over at least the southern two-thirds of Delaware and Cape May County, Cumberland County, New Jersey here, also Ocean, Atlantic County, getting into some rain action here and possibly some moderate rainfall at that. And then this precipitation just keeps on going for much of the day. Now the new NAM is actually starting to bring some precipitation further north. Really not liking that idea of that happening here. Really nothing else is showing this, and the NAM is on its own with this idea here that you're going to have some precipitation continuing further to the north here before this thing moves out here. Would it be surprised? I'd be totally surprised if this happened. No, of course not. I mean, anything can happen as long as one model is showing something that is a typically credible model. We have to at least take it into consideration. But this is really the first time this has been showing this, where it's pushing this precipitation back farther to the north here. So we're going with the notion right now that what the GFS has, that we're areas to the northwest here with high pressures moving in here. See, that's the problem I have. The high pressures moving in here, kind of giving this a little kick here and moving it out of here. So for it to move back north into that really doesn't make too much sense. So given the gravity of what's going on right now, I think we're going to keep the shower activity threat Delaware, South Jersey today for the extended period of time into the afternoon, and that's it. And we do have clouds giving way to partial clearing for some areas. Again, northwest to southeast will happen quicker for the northwest than it will to the southeast. So especially across some of these borderline counties from, say, Lancaster, Chester, Bucks, Montgomery, and into central Jersey, Hunterdon, Somerset, places like that. It could hang on to the clouds a little bit longer than areas to your northwest would. So we do think it is going to clear eventually, but it's just a matter of when. And this high pressure then is going to be moving across our area and be in control of our weather both Wednesday and Thursday. It's going to set up shop to the east here on Thursday. Actually, this is looking at Thursday evening. This is just going to kind of keep things unstable here. Return flow around high pressure is going to allow for some showers to come into the area here. These are not this is not total washout type stuff here. This is very light, and you can see that here in the overnight hours here on Thursday night. As we go on to Friday here, maybe a couple hit or miss things, and that's about it. Not really too much going on. Next chance of precipitation will be Saturday. We do think we're going to get a little bit of clearing out ahead of this front. Now this is another cold front moving through here. Here's your low pressure moving up through the Central Great Lakes. Cold front sitting back here like this. This is going to move in our direction like this and bring us a chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. So you might get a little bit of clearing up until the showers move in, or showers and thunderstorms here, and then you might have actually a line segment form here along the frontal boundary itself. We'll have to see how this plays out, but right now, not looking at a severe weather situation, but it might be a situation where most of your day is okay on Saturday until you get later in the day, and you get into the showers and thunderstorms that will last into at least the first part of the overnight hours before this thing clears out of here for Sunday, and gives you a lot cooler conditions, but near seasonable averages for this time of year. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for April 14th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.